everyone, this is a video of Biology, Grade 12, Unit 1, named as Reproduction, Chapter number 1, Reproduction in Organisms, and topic number 2, that is Modes of Reproduction. In my previous video, which was just an introductory video, I have discussed the concept and the importance of reproduction. And in my today's video, I will discuss with you the mode of reproduction, students. So let's begin with the topic, that is mode of reproduction. However, before discussing the core content of the topic, let's first understand the meaning of mode. First of all, I will discuss with you what do you mean by mode. Because to understand in-depth knowledge, we must have a proper idea of each and every word, so that as there is no cramming. Okay, so do you have any idea what do you mean by mode? In English, mode means a type of something, a way of doing something. It is a type or variations. Okay, it means if you have something to say, like you have a shoes, okay, then the question, what type of shoes you have? Okay, they are jugglers, sports shoes, leather shoes, formal shoes. In the same way, the types of shoes are what? It is a modes of shoes. Okay, now if I will give you other example of mobile phones, there are number of brands of mobile phones right now. We have Samsung, Vivo, iPhone, and many more. These are all what? These are the types of mobile phones. So in the same way, these are the modes. These are the varieties of what? Varieties of phones, students. So now, I hope till now it is clear what do you mean by mode. Now students, come back to our topic, that is mode of reproduction. So don't think, students, that meaning of mode in the present concept definitely will be the same as with the shoes example, with the phone example. Here what does it mean? Like the types of reproduction we have. So students, if I talk about the types of reproduction we have, there are two types of reproduction. The first one is sexual and the second one is asexual. Starting with sexual reproduction. In this mode of reproduction, a new offspring is produced by the participation of two parents of the opposite sexes. Now, what do you mean by offspring? The newborn baby, the next generation, these all are the synonyms of a offspring. Now, in sexual reproduction, two parents must participate, right? So in this, two parents, they are always on an opposite sex. Like, if I will give you an example of humans, one is a male and other is female. These are the opposite sexes. When they together reproduce and form a new generation, it is a result of sexual reproduction, students. Okay, now this type of reproduction is seen in all multicellular organisms. Now what do you mean by multicellular organism here? Multi means many, a number of, and cellular means the cells. So when there will be a number of cells, organisms are there, okay? The organism which have number of cells, they always show sexual reproduction. For example, humans, animals, mostly the plants, they all show what? They all show sexual reproduction, students. The complete process of sexual reproduction have a set of events. Now, events are what? Events are the phases. Without any of the phase, the whole process couldn't be completed. That what does event means here. Like if any step is missing, what happened? The whole process wouldn't be complete, students, right? So there are three events in sexual reproduction. The first one is pre-fertilization. The second one is fertilization. And the third one is post-fertilization. Now students, pre-fertilization meaning what? before fertilization, what events takes place in sexual reproduction and in fertilization. Like it is a process which we discuss in our further videos. The next here is post-fertilization. So that is after fertilization, what events takes place in the sexual reproduction. So these are basically 3 events which we will discuss in our further videos, which comprises the whole sexual reproduction. I hope this is clear till now. Now let us discuss about asexual reproduction, students. In this mode of reproduction, a new offspring is produced by the involvement or participation of only single parent. Only single parent involved. So there's a difference, right? If someone asks you a basic difference between asexual and sexual reproduction, your answer will be that in asexual reproduction only one parent will involve, whereas in sexual reproduction 2 parents are involved, right? Great. So the production or the produced offspring are not only identical but are also the exact copy of their parents, right? How this will be possible? Because in this only one parent participates in the process of reproduction. So that is why, students, in asexual reproduction the offspring, the newborn baby, is just exact copy of their parents. Even similar, we can say they are the carbon copies of their parents, students. Okay, now if I will give you the examples, or you can say some types of asexual reproduction like budding, fragmentation, binary fission, vegetative reproduction, these all are the types which come under asexual reproduction, which we will discuss in a separate video in which we have only concentrate about asexual reproduction. So this is all about the modes of reproduction. Okay, however, before winding up this video, let's having a quick recap that what we have discussed in this video, students, about the modes of reproduction. Just a quick recap for you that asexual reproduction, in which only one parent is involved and offspring is exact copy of the parent. There are different types: budding, fragmentation, binary fission and vegetative reproduction or vegetative propagation. Whereas if I talk about sexual reproduction, 2 parents are involved and they are of opposite sexes. 2 parents are involved of opposite sexes, student, and in this what happened? In this there are particular events which takes place to complete the whole process, that is pre-fertilization, fertilization and post-fertilization. Okay, students. So still, if you have any of the question, any of the confusion regarding the topic, you can ask through the comment box given below. I am always here to assist you. See you in the next video with a new topic, which is that which mode of reproduction is better and why. Students, now you have an idea what are different types of reproduction we have. Just think upon it that which mode is better and why it is better, so that in the next video you can answer me that ma'am, this mode is better and this is the reason. Okay, so see you in the next video. Keep watching. Thank you.